Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to rotate viewport. So you can go to layout tab and in here you can see we have one viewport. If you want to add more viewport, you can tap M view, press enter and you can click in the area on layout like this. Can resize by using these points and then I will move again this viewport into here. Now, if you want to rotate this viewport, you can use rotate command, type rotate, press enter, select the viewport again, and for base point, I will click in here. Now you can rotate like into 45 degree, you can tap 45 and press enter. The viewport will be automatically rotate into 45 degree. So you can rotate again, so you can tap rotate, press enter, select the viewports and then I will click in here. I will set into minus 45 degree to back into normal. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to rotate viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.